Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Ink. Don't forget the ink. I got me a busy day today. I need to get out 2 C-body kits. If you take the factory pin caliper setup, spindles and all from an original C-body, they will bolt on to the 65 and through 72. Backbone of it, of course, is those factory spindles. Then you have these large bolt caliper brackets. The bolt spacing is different than the others. It's slightly bigger, by about 3/8 of an inch. Requires these wide mouth calipers. The wide mouth calipers are designed for the 1¼ rotors. Chrysler was using these 1¼ rotors on the C-bodies and the Imperials way back in 1969. Of course, you don't see that today typically except on trucks. And of course, those beasts were about 6,000 pounds, and this is designed to do like 3 panic stops on the highway back to back before fading. Remember now, pin caliper design's the best design. The pads are bigger, more surface area, and they just work extremely well. There's a little trick on my cars called Big Dog Rotor System. You can actually run these 1¼ on a normal E-body or a B-body. Did you guys catch that? You can run these rotors on a normal E-body or B-body. I did it on my Super B. Couple of them. Plan on doing it on this GTX if I get it. So, if you're going to put disc brakes on a C-body, 65 through 72, give us a call. We'll help you out. Factory always fits, always works, and always looks right. Just a fact. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Mopar.